Hey everybody, Terah Crawford with TaylorMade Deep Creek Vacations and Sales coming to you today for another installment of my virtual open house series. Today I am at 55 Village Drive. This adorable log cabin was built in 2006. It offers 3 bedrooms and 3 baths, cathedral ceilings, a sun porch, and so much to love. I can't wait to take you on the tour. Let's go. When you enter the main level of this so charming home built in 2006, you're just going to love the open floor plan with kitchen, living, dining area, the natural log, the gorgeous tongue and groove, beautiful hardwood floors, the loft, and of course the wood burning fireplace. In addition to the living spaces on the main level, you're gonna find a spacious bedroom as well as a full bath with laundry. So of all the adorable touches and great features that 55 Village Drive offers, my favorite is probably this sun porch. It's closed in with tons of natural light, a hot tub, a seating area, access for television, a wood-burning fireplace with natural stacked stone, access to the interior and the exterior. It is seriously gorgeous. I love the cedar siding, the natural logs. What a great use of space. In the loft level, we've got another large bedroom with an attached bath. It's one of 2 of the master suites that you'll find in this property. Spanning over 2,800 square feet, this home has enough space for everyone. We're gonna go now and check out the basement where you'll find another living space and a huge master bedroom. The master suite on the lower level is incredibly spacious. The bathroom is huge. It's got a walkout to the patio. The bathroom also, in addition to being really spacious in that master suite, has gorgeous tile and gorgeous countertop on the sink. So just reviewing a couple of the really great things about 55 Village Drive, which is listed by my friend and colleague Betsy Spiker Holcomb. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath log home built in 2006. I love the high ceilings. I love the natural log along the walls. I especially love the sun porch. That thing is just so nice, and I can really imagine enjoying all seasons out in that area. Tons of natural light throughout the house, 2 wood-burning fireplaces, and a fantastic location near all of my favorite restaurants and shopping in the Deep Creek Lake area, while still only being about 10 minutes from Wisp Resort and really close to this state park. Give me a call if you have any questions about this or any property in Western Maryland. Cell is 410-487-4914. You can reach me by email at tira@deepcreekvacations.com or on any social channel that you're active on. I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great day.